he was over here. He's over here. He's over here.
Dr. 65 be a middle black hoodie, gray shorts. He's going to be running southbound on Watson.
Suspect is male, black hooded sweatshirt. Last seen off with southbound Watson.
Dr. 65, westbound Rubidoux from Watson.
Yeah, westbound Rubidoux from Watson.
Roger 6-3, the primer is going to be on Rubidoux and Watson. Take it to Sanford and Rubidoux, and then Watson and M, and Sanford and M.
I'm gonna come your way and we'll. Yeah. You good over there, John?
This is open.
It's open?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Steve got his key ready to set. 17 to 1. Let me know when you're set. And we'll step in. So that's open here?
Yeah.
Let's get to this corner. Yep.
There's something I don't see.
I can't see you. Move up because I can't see.
He's yelling from somewhere in the back here. Alright, go ahead.
There?
Yeah, go ahead.
You got eyes?
I got eyes.
Okay. What?
Hey,
What? Here, bud. Here, bud. Here, bud. Come on, bud. Here, bud. Here.
Mine? This is open when you're ready.
It's open?
Yeah.
Okay. Steve got his key ready to set. 17 to 1. Let me know when you're set. So that's open?
Yeah. Just make sure we clean up behind. I hear something, but I don't. It sounds. I can't see. I don't know where he is.
Move up 'cause I can't see.
Yeah. He's yelling. He's somewhere in the back here. All right, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead and call him. I got eyes. All right, all right. Hey, just hold still. Don't run.
Here.
Just hold still. All right. Are the patrol guys here?
Right away, sir.
All right. One of you go to a taser. One of you is going to handcuff. Hey, stand on up. Keep your hands on your head, okay?
Roll to your stomach, up to your knees, and stand up. Hands on your head. We'll get your phone afterwards. There you go. Don't reach for your pocket or your shorts. Stand up to your feet. If you run, there's another dog on the other side. Back your way up. Back up. Come on the other side of all this wood and you're going to come back to us. Look to your left and look at that wood. Look to the left. There you go. Step around it. There you go. Watch your leg. Come on back. Hold on. Hold on. Keep coming back, buddy. Hold on. Go to your left a little bit so you're around the table. There you go. One more step back. Go ahead. Stay right there. Watch his hands. It looks like he's bleeding.
Can you grab my phone, please?
We will.
Yeah, we're gonna
Relax.
take your phone. Don't worry about it. Check. Here. Check. Check. Here. Check. Oh. Oh, there it is.
Sit. Sit. Back. Soup. Oh, now go boy. Oh, the boy. So the mag was in it.
Yeah.
You knocked it out.
Okay.
So if you guys want to photo it. Oh, there's a good boy.
You gotta take your time.
Oh. Oh, there's a boy. Yeah, bud.
Shall we limit
Oh,
yourself
there's a
further?
boy.